Hi everyone. Let's just do a quick little balance around uncertainty. None of us has control over the universe. None of us have control over elections or what's going to happen next week, next month, next year. I know that here in Australia, we've had an election on the weekend here in Queensland, and it's interesting. Obviously, the way people look at different politicians is the opposite to way, there's always two sides of a coin toss, and it wasn't the way I was hoping it was going to go. And a lot of my friends and relatives, it wasn't the way they were hoping it was going to go. And I'm sure the same thing is happening around the world. Lots and lots of misinformation and confusion and congestion, that dense energy around uncertainty and lack of control. So we don't need to control everything, and a lot of that is about our energy, our base chakra feeling safe and grounded and happy. Because when we're running in fear, when we're running in anger, when we're running on hate, then we can't feel grounded, we can't feel safe, we can't feel like we're living in the moment. So let's go to our amygdalas. So let's okay. Rage, anger, frustration. So let's just help to calm that down from the collective consciousness. Releasing any and all frustration and anger. Releasing any and all fight and resentment. That resentment that builds up when we have a lack of control in our life, when we feel like other people are being our puppeteers. We're just dangling along on the strings. We have more control than that. We are human beings. We have sovereignty over our own bodies. I trust. I have faith. I allow only the light into my life. Back to the amygdala. Okay, so the rage, anger, frustration, now underneath that is the fear and anxiety. So releasing the fear and anxiety, not knowing what's going on with our future. So I want you to close your eyes for a moment and think of your biggest fear. What is your biggest fear at the moment? And I just want you to find a solution. So whatever it is, so visualize your stress. Then I want you to encompass that stress in the good old white healing light, the pink, fluffy, heart healing energy of love, the blue health, that beautiful blue glow that happens, whatever it is, your biggest stress in your life. So picture that as a stress and just encompass it with some beautiful healing energy, and allow that fear to dissipate. Allow that fear to disappear. Allow that fear to turn into hope. Allow that fear to turn into relief. Allow that fear to turn into happiness and joy. I am a human being. I am happiness and joy. I am a human being. I am consciousness. I am a human being. I am light and love. So wherever you are on the planet, breathe in light and love. Breathe out frustration. Breathe in happiness and joy. Breathe out resentment and anger. Allow Father energy, loving Father energy, to come down and give us warmth and love and light from above. And that mother energy on the earth, just feel that, feel us dangling into the earth and feeling grounded and safe and secure. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Okay, guys, have a fabulous day. Love to you wherever you are on this spectacular, wonderful planet of ours. Take care. Bye.